My name is Alias Nayan. I'm doing political science in GC University Lahore in 6th semester, and I am aspired to become a CSP officer. Now I'm going to talk about some little events, some things which have made me to stand over here and to tell you about my introduction, my experiences, my events. First of all, I did my metric with 93% marks. After getting so much good marks, I got scholarship in Spirit College, a private institute in the Jhan. And over there, I studied hard. I do work hardworking with. Then I got 92% marks in FS Civil Engineering. After doing that, I was so much confused what I have to do, whether I have to become a doctor, whether I have to become engineer, or what I have to do. There was no exposure, no experience. Then my elder brother Uzair have gave me advice that you have to do CSS. Whenever I heard that word, I was no an idea. I was having no idea what is this. I thought it is a degree, just like a computer science degree or other degree. Then he said, no, it is not a degree. It is the exam